Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I've already know about 1D array type. So in this video I will explain about 2D array and 3D array. So first of all I will explain about 2D array. So in the 2D array, basically as it is two-dimensional, so I have to declare it two array. So in two-dimensional array I declare two box for two-dimensional array, and you have to remember it. In two-dimensional array, first array is row and second one is column. So in this array I declare row number in 2 and column number in 3. First of all I will take user input for array elements. So that's why I am using for loop for take elements from user. So in this code, you know, and you did it in 1D one-dimensional array. First line is basic, that you can see it, there is array dot length. But in the second line, so in the second line for column line, you have to remember just this is same as first, but you have to put this I means row in this code. So for take input I'm using that line. So but this line is for print the number. So I will run the code. So now I take the number 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can see there is row number is 2 and column number is 3. Now I put enter. So it prints my array 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can see there is two row and 3 column. For three-dimensional there is no such difference. So I take input manually, and if you look forward the code, you can see first line and second line is almost same, but in the third line what I did that I put in the second line I, and so I put third line in J. So now I will print the code. So you can see I already take the array element manually and I print it. So this is the three-dimensional array example. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you have any problem, ask me in the comment box. So like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much everyone.